Let me show you an easy way to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. For this to work, you need an Instagram professional account, and to turn on cross-posting, I'll show you how to do both. Now, first open up the Facebook app. We need to check something in Facebook first. So tap on menu at the very bottom right, or it might be at the top right for you. And then from here, tap on that drop-down arrow and switch to your page. We need to check and make sure you're an admin of that page and have access to do this. So once you're managing as the page, tap again on the menu at the bottom right. Again, it might be at the top right here. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy and Settings. Now, to check your status on that Facebook page, to make sure you're an admin, all you need to do is scroll down from here, and you'll be able to see we're looking at Audience and Visibility, and we need to go midway down and tap on the Page Setup. So tap on Page Setup and then Page Access. You'll be able to see at the very top, okay, I am an admin of this, I manage the content, activity, all of that stuff. So now that you've confirmed you're an admin, let's hop out of here and open up the Instagram app. The first thing we need to make sure is you can only do this if you have a professional account. So to tell if you have a professional account, tap on the profile at the bottom right and tap on Professional Dashboard. If you have a professional dashboard, you have a professional creator or business account. If you don't see that, you just need to tap back, tap on those three lines, and then scroll down until you see the option to set up your professional account towards the bottom here. After we've done that, let's just go back out here and we can connect that page just by going to your profile here and tapping on Edit Profile. Now within Edit Profile, you'll be able to see I can change a bunch of new things now that I have a professional account, in addition to connecting my page. So tap on Connect Page at the bottom and continue. Now it says we'll connect to Facebook. Just hit Login to Facebook here and then just hit Continue. Now you'll be able to see there is Trevor Streets, my page. All I need to do is hit continue. And now it will go through the process of connecting it. However, keep in mind, after you do connect it, it isn't fully connected in terms of posting from Instagram over to your Facebook page. You do need to do a couple other steps as well. In addition to that, you need to turn on cross posting. So you can always just go back out here, tap on those three lines, and then we'll just search for cross posting, and then tap on share across your profiles. And then you want to turn this on so that you're sharing from Instagram over to your Facebook page. Just tap on Instagram here, sharing from Instagram, and then going to your Facebook page, and make sure that is all turned on. All of these are turned on, etc., etc.